Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and hope you guys are doing alright. So today is just going to be a quick unboxing video. I got sent this package from Tress and let's get to it. So Tress is actually a company based in the UK. They offer a monthly subscription box that allows natural hair women to try different brands, which I think is quite a good idea. I kind of like their logo, so it's this little girl trying to open her treasure. It's like treasure, kind of get the idea. Anyway, I can't wait to see what's in the main box. So guys, this is actually the first time I'm opening the box. So that's it. Unboxing time. Let's see what's inside. Oh. So that's how it is. That's how it is. That's how it came. It has this gold wrapper. So there's a card inside. I may not be perfect, but my hair is the takeover. Baby access and neon accessories. Oh. So it's basically a card about treasure tress. And I think it's like about what's actually in the main box. So I'll put a picture about what's in the card, but that's how it came. Anyway, I think it's quite good. There's an informative card. Hey Queens, can you believe it's me already? This month we brought you it's just information about the main box anyway. I'll probably put a picture. But I'm quite excited about the package. I don't know if you guys can see the gold wrapper. Anyway, I think it's cute. Yeah. Oh wow! Almost feels like I'm opening a present. So it's the Clear and Nourish. They're about 5 actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The packaging is really nice. I feel like I'm being spoiled. But yeah, I'll try to lift that up so you guys can see. Crazy. Okay. So the first is the Urban Therapy Twisted Sister. It's Clear Plus Nourish Pure Hydration Conditioner. I've actually never heard of this, so I'm quite excited to try this. That's the hydrating conditioner and the Clear Nourish shampoo as well, and there's the hydration shape and style mousse, freeze control serum, and what's the hydration curl gel. Wow. I think the whole concept, maybe that's why it's called Clear and Nourish. Everything's just clear, see-through. But I'm quite excited to try this. Trying so many products could be quite expensive, so I can see why this box is quite helpful for naturalists out there. Well, good times. So basically, the reason I really like this concept is that you find out that when you go natural, you find a lot of people spending so much money to find the product that works for them. I feel like with this concept, you're able to try different products from different brands throughout the year until you find the right combination that works for your hair type. So I believe the way it works is that you pay a subscription fee, and every month you're sent different products, so you get to sift through and find out which combination works for you. I believe for May I got sent Twisted Sister, and for next month I'm guessing it's going to be a different brand that I'll be sent. And see, like I got sent 5 products, and it's probably, I think the subscription fee is £20. I'm not sure. I'm going to put more details in the description box. But I think just I got sent 5 products for just the subscription fee. So I just feel like it's quite a good concept. I would have loved to have this when I first went natural 7 years ago, trying to look for different products, but things are becoming a lot easier, and I think we should just take advantage of it. But yeah, Thanks Treasure Tress. I'll try my main box and I'll let you guys know what I feel. Okay? So if you guys do decide to try it, please let me know how it goes. I'd like to get your feedback. And yeah, before you guys go, I actually have a discount code. It's Ozzichiq. It's my YouTube channel name. I'll leave everything in the description box. Things I might have forgotten, I'm sorry. And as usual, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye guys. So guys, please don't forget to like